How to find active status settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find active status settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here, active status. And now all you need to do is just if you want to turn off active status, just click on it and click turn off, and as you see active status has been turned off. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.